This video is all about seat belts, lap belts, and straps. I use a traditional seat belt. It snaps in and out quickly. When I'm not using it, it can get in your wheels, so I just tuck it behind me. You can also use Velcro straps or a snap buckle. I use a Velcro strap for my feet. This is necessary for me because without it, my legs are going to fly out with any fast turn. I can adjust how tightly I strap my feet down, which in addition to using a lap belt, can allow for some bigger moves and tricks while staying in your chair. Laying back, rolls, even headstands, though I really don't recommend doing that on this roof. Straps can be cumbersome, so another option can be putting Velcro on your footrest and on the bottom of your shoes. This can be great if you're transferring in and out of your chair in a dance frequently. When I started dancing in my wheelchair, I was very resistant to using straps. I wanted my body to be at the forefront. I didn't want to be bound to a wheelchair. Maybe this was a helpful short-term opinion to have, but now I think straps give options that can enhance movement, go to low levels, roll, lay on my back, and take weight.